Say hi to everybody.
Hey, I think I'm gonna buy some Crocs.
He's a brute, I admit. He was built like a brute too. You kind of expect that like Biff mentality from him.
Oh, look at
Who is that girl I see back at me?
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Pikachu?
Good job. High five. Okay.
Where's the catnip?
It's like you're my mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
Something tells me that he wants in.
Look at her try to get it. Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Boom, boom, boom. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love.
Spike loves his new hat.
What? How are you doing this?
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
Damn, your ass smells fine, girl. Check on my ass. How's that smell? Baby, get your ass off me! Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good. Ah!
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for...
I believe I can fly.
Ow. High five.
That specialize in rescuing young girls from pimps and prostitution. Many of them are looking for
Can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I got it.
Jill, can you just give me a second?
Just lay out the Bloody Mary.
I just gotta try to find the drinks. I don't know where they're at.
Have you heard the new Sam Smith album?
Yeah!
Yeah, it's good, huh?
Nah!
Jeez, it's not that bad.
Ha
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
Get the puppy. Get the dog. Get the dog, pups.
With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me right.
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the get down.
Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay. All right. Okay.
Panda, say I love you.
Oh, kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web.
Let's see. If I were a cat, where could I lay down if I wanted to be exactly where my human didn't want me to be?
Cut! Can I just pet you, please? Why not? Come on. Stop. Hey, Bailey, let's show him our new high five. Hey, be nice.
Y'all thought y'all's cat was rude. Hold up, meet Nicki Minaj.
Nikki.
Oh, shit. Damn, girl.
We're all out of chicken. Go get the cat. That was some good cat.
the street. I hear John, 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 John. Man down, where you from?
Wait. But first, let me take a selfie.
3, 2, 1, dance! Gorgeous.
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
He was a dog right now.
I'm afraid to stop recording because I'm sure she'll set it off.
There you